Welcome to InvestoSphere. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most exciting and accessible online income opportunities, selling digital stickers on Etsy. Whether you're an artist, a hobbyist, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking for a creative side hustle, selling digital stickers can open a new door to consistent passive income. The beauty of digital stickers is that they require minimal upfront investment, no inventory management, and can generate sales 24/7 across the globe.in. This comprehensive guide, we're going to explore every single thing you need to know. From what digital stickers are, why they're booming, how you can create them, where to find the right tools, how to set up your Etsy shop professionally, how to price your stickers, how to get your first sales, and even how to scale your store to make it a full-time income source. This video will cover everything step by step in the simplest yet most detailed way to SEO if you are serious about making money online. In building a true digital asset, stick with me until the end because we have a lot to unpack. Let's get started. What are digital stickers? First, let's clear the basics. Digital stickers are simply images that customers can download and use digitally. They're often used in digital planners, journals, scrapbooking apps, note-taking apps like GoodNotes, Notability, and even in messaging apps. Unlike physical stickers, there is no printing, shipping, or handling involved. You just design a sticker once, upload it, and customers can instantly download it after purchasing. This model is powerful because it is infinitely scalable. You sell the same file over and over again with no extra work. Why digital stickers are booming right now? Several reasons have contributed to the massive growth of digital stickers. The rise of digital planning and productivity apps has created a huge demand for customization tools like stickers. Millennials and Gen Z are heavy users of digital organization tools, and they love personalization. People prefer lightweight purchases that add a touch of fun and efficiency to their digital lives. Digital products have no shipping costs, making them highly attractive. During economic downturns, people still spend small amounts on affordable luxuries, like cute sticker sets. The digital sticker market is growing fast, and there's still plenty of room for creative sellers to stand out. Who can sell digital stickers? You do not have to be a professional artist. In fact, many top-selling Etsy sticker shops are run by people who simply understand design basics. If you have any of these skills, you can succeed. Basic graphic design, creativity, and an eye for trends. Willingness to learn new tools. Persistence and consistency. Even if you're starting with no skills, you can easily learn everything needed with free resources online. Talent is important, but commitment is what truly matters. What types of digital stickers sell best? Understanding what customers want is critical. Here are some of the hottest categories. Planner stickers for organizing daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. Motivational quotes and affirmations. Cute animal characters. Seasonal and holiday-themed stickers. Minimalist and aesthetic stickers. Business organizational stickers. Academic and study stickers for students. Functional stickers like to-do lists, habit trackers, finance trackers. Spend time researching on Etsy. Look at best sellers in the sticker category. Pay attention to the style, colors, themes, and pricing. Tools you need to create digital stickers. The good news is you do not need expensive equipment. Here's what you need: a laptop or tablet, graphic design software like Canva, Procreate, or Adobe Illustrator, a drawing tablet if you want to hand draw, good font collections, make sure you have the commercial license, clip art and graphics, again, license for commercial use, transparent background capability, important for sticker files. If you're just starting out, free tools like Canva are more than enough to, as you grow, you can invest in Procreate or Adobe products. How to create your first sticker set. Here's a simple workflow. Brainstorm ideas based on what is trending. Sketch rough ideas on paper or digitally. Create clean digital versions using Canva or Procreate. Export each sticker with a transparent background, usually in PNG format. Bundle multiple stickers into a set to offer more value. Always think about user experience. Your design should be cute, functional, and appealing. How to package your stickers for Etsy. Most sellers offer stickers as downloadable zip files containing individual PNG sticker files. Sometimes a pre-cropped GoodNotes file for easy import. A simple PDF with instructions for beginners. Make sure your file sizes are not too heavy. Buyers expect fast downloads. How to set up your Etsy shop for selling stickers. Opening an Etsy shop is free and easy. Here are the steps. Create an Etsy account. Name your shop something memorable and niche-related. Create a professional logo and banner. Write a clear and friendly shop bio. Set up shop policies like refunds. Usually, digital products are non-refundable. Remember, branding is key. Even if you only have a few products at first, make your shop look polished and trustworthy. How to write perfect Etsy listings. Your listing is your salesperson.it needs to be optimized. Include a catchy title filled with relevant keywords, a friendly, clear, and informative product description, high-quality listing images showing how the stickers look in use, proper tags and categories, price competitively, but not too low. SEO is crucial. Use keywords like digital planner stickers, GoodNotes stickers, printable planner stickers, and so on. How to price your digital stickers. Pricing digital stickers can vary, but most sets range between $2 to $8. Factors affecting pricing. How many stickers are included? Complexity of designs. Target audience's willingness to pay. Start with slightly lower pricing to build momentum and reviews. Once your shop gains authority, you can increase your prices. How to create attractive sticker previews. Since buyers cannot touch your product, your listing images must do the selling. Use mock-ups to show your stickers in use. You can show stickers placed on digital planners. Create lifestyle mock-ups with iPads, laptops, and notebooks. Show close-ups of sticker details. Professional mock-ups build trust and make buyers feel confident about their purchase. How to promote your Etsy shop. Simply uploading products is not enough. You have to market your shop actively. Share on Pinterest using beautiful pins. Post on Instagram showing your sticker designs. Run Etsy ads for extra visibility. Collaborate with digital planning influencers. Build an email list for new product announcements. Pinterest is especially powerful for digital products. One viral pin can drive hundreds of visitors. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please make sure to like this video. IT helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm and lets me create even more valuable content for you. Also, do not forget to subscribe to InvestoSphere for weekly deep dives into online business strategies, side hustles, and financial freedom ideas. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an opportunity to learn and grow your income streams. And I will see you in the next video.